It's the Evening Bulletin. I'm Perry Michael Simon. Last week there was a news story out here in which a guy caught a perv taking a video in the men's room at Angel Stadium and performed a citizen's arrest, and I wrote about it at the time, remarking that I wasn't even aware of how to citizen's arrest someone and what that entails, let alone think about all the ramifications if it goes wrong. So, here we are days later with the news that Washington, D.C. is thinking about joining Malibu as cities where certain select civilians are enlisted to go out and basically write parking tickets. How it works is that they pick 80 people who then go out and snoop around, and when they see a car's bumper over the crosswalk line or a few inches too far from the curb or with an expired meter, they take a picture in a special app and a city employee confirms it and sends out a ticket, the same way a red light camera works. The way it works now is that if a cop, or what used to be called a meter maid or a brownie, pulls out a ticket pad, you might have a shot to argue that you're moving the car, or that there was an emergency, or that you were just there for a second, or went to get change for the meter. Okay, usually it doesn't work, but you have a shot. With the citizen's ticket, you lose that. And do we want the public snitching on each other for minor violations? They say it's to relieve real cops from having to waste time with parking duty, but they could also just, I don't know, not bother enforcing all those complicated parking rules set up just so the city can make money to pay someone for the enforcement. And wait until one of the citizen parking cops discovers Photoshop. I expect more cities to try this, and all I'm going to say is that the reasons not to do it seem more compelling than the reasons to do it, which isn't going to stop anyone, but at least you're aware of it now. More outrage tomorrow. For now, that's enough.